back to Dreams Are Chaos. I'm your girlfriend Reena and I am about to do something fun and exciting. So I didn't want to wait for morning to start vlogging. I wanted to be in the moment because that's what we are all about, and you will be very not so surprised because at this point I think we've all established how last minute I function. So basically it was one of my best friend's birthday on Friday, which was the 21st of January. Right now it is 22nd of January and it's literally 10:50 right now, and I just had a call with her and we've decided to go for a dinner tomorrow, which means I have about less than 24 hours to curate her gift. Now I already have bought everything and have this very aesthetic vibe sorts of something going in my mind, but you see it's only in my mind. Reality mein I have these Amazon boxes with supplies that need to come together, like so I thought I should vlog while I'm doing this because I love gifting, I love my friends, I love birthdays, and everything I love I'm about to do at this very point, and I thought I should be vlogging. So that's that. Also my hair, oh my god, they're crying for help. So I'm just gonna, oh my god, okay, I just had a bike ride and like yeah, this is like wow. Yeah, so I am thinking of turning this Saturday night into like I'm taking care of myself, but I'm also doing something super fun. So to start off my fun Saturday, if night I may, I'm gonna start off with oiling my hair. So right now I'm just going to use this Wow 10-in-1 oil. This works really well for me. This is one of those oils I know कि एक ही wash में ये चला जाता है. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to nicely oil and have some chumpy in my hair, and then we will get to gift packing. Okay, wow, I don't know what is wrong with me, but I'm just like really excited. My oil chumpy is done. I have a nice bun situation going. Now it's time for the gift packing stuff, which is kind of like my favorite. Although it's very interesting to know that मैं gift paper भूल गई हूँ. No. Like I went to the store and I asked him if he had this certain kind of paper, and he was like कि हाँ है, and but then he was at the back and I got a call and had to leave meet a friend. So I was like हाँ मैं आती हूँ, and then I forgot. So yeah, I think gift wrapping wala part kal karna padega. Although just so you know, I am not very good at gift packing, but I still like to do it because it's like efforts. Hello. So yeah, that's that. But okay, major thing that I need to do right now, which is also why I started vlogging, is first of all, okay, isn't it weirdly funny that I went on Amazon and I was looking for these really cute gift boxes because I wanted to make like a gift box hamper type of situation, but literally koi bhi gift box wasn't going to be delivered even on Prime on this very last moment. But the only thing that could come at the last minute was this thing right here. So this is basically a golden spray paint. Now I have never used spray paint before, so I'm really excited to try this, but then I was like, okay, मैं spray किस चीज़ को करूँ? So the items that I have to give, I tried to fit it into boxes like the ones that I got from online, like ये वाला, then even this Nykaa वाला, but इसमें वो fit होने वाला नहीं है. So I was like really thinking कि मैं कौन सा box use करूँ, and I may have found this. Now this is exactly the kind of size and kind of the vibe I was going for because मुझे इसमें काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें करनी है, and I'm like really Pinteresty, at least in my mind. वो कैसा turned out होगा we will only know. But yeah, basically ये वाला box है मेरे पास and इसमें मैंने already gift रखा है, तो मुझे इसको स्प्रे पेंट करना है. सो नाउ नॉर्मली जो मैंने देखा है लोगों को स्प्रे पेंट करते हुए, वो लोग ऐसे आउटडोर्स में जाके करते हैं, बट इट्स लाइक लिटरली 11. तो आई डोंट वांट टू क्रीप एनीबॉडी बाय गोइंग आउटडोर एंड लाइक स्प्रेइंग स्टफ. सो मैं घर पे इसको कैसे सेफली करूँ ताकि मुझे घर से बेघर ना करे, इज समथिंग आई एम रियली थिंकिंग अपॉन. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना क्विकली लाइक ले डाउन सम न्यूज़पेपर्स. आई एम गोना ट्राई स्प्रे पेंटिंग दिस थिंग फर्स्ट एंड देन आई एम गो फॉर द बॉक्स. आई डोंट नो स्प्रे पेंट को सूखने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है, विच इज लिटरली समथिंग आई थॉट ऑफ टुडे इवनिंग. वरना ये भी मैं कल सुबह करने वाली थी, बट या लेट्स डू दिस. ओह माय गॉड. Let's do this. Update time. I had so much fun spray painting. I mean, it was insane. Right now, I'm sorry if my voice is not that clear. I have my fan on because the smell in my room is toxic. So I've kept my windows open and my fan on so the smell can go away, and I'm gonna wait overnight. I might do a second coat. Let's see. But now I will see you in the morning.
One eternity later.
What kind of start is this? But hey, you guys, this is 1 week later, right about an hour before I actually have to leave for the actual party. So a quick story if I may. The last clip you saw of me was the night prior to our earlier plan, which got cancelled because we both had some commitments that we completely forgot about. Hello adulting. And which is why we were like, you know what, we're going to do this exact plan next weekend, which is why I kept my DIYs on hold, and I have zero idea ये week कैसा आगे चला गया. Like, it's the next weekend. Like, how am I here? Like, I'm still processing. Yesterday my friend messages me and she's like, yo, you know, you're up for tomorrow's plan, right? I'm like, tomorrow? Are Saturday ko jana? She's like, yeah bro, today's Friday, which is why I'm texting you about tomorrow. And I was like, oh my god. Honestly, true story. But yeah, I mean, I'm here. I just got done with my paper, and now literally हमारे पास 50 minutes है for me to leave for the actual venue and the party and everything. मेरा outfit पे decided नहीं है. Like, forget about outfit. यहाँ पे जो DIY हम लोग कब से करने की कोशिश में है वो भी incomplete है. So let's do this, y'all. Like, हमारे पास कोई choice नहीं है. Let's do it. Okay, so this is where we left off last. So as you can see, मैंने spray paint किया हुआ है, but the edges are still crusty. The gifts are all inside pretty much. तो अभी मुझे इसको एक second coat देना है, जिसको सूखने के लिए 15 से 20 मिनट लगेंगे. इसके बाद I'm just going to tape the edges. Oh, wow. This is dusty, so I need to clean the dust off first. मैं क्या कर रही थी यार, पूरा 1 week था मेरे पास, बट जो किक मुझे मिलती है लास्ट मिनट काम करने की उसका कोई तोड़ नहीं. एंड या वाओ, आई नीड टू स्ट्रेटन माय हेयर एज वेल. लेट्स डू दिस. आई गोना क्विकली क्लीन दिस बॉक्स, स्प्रे पेंटेड सेकंड टाइम. द रूम स्टिंक्स आफ्टर दैट, सो मैं वो साइड में करके रखती हूँ. एंड आई वाज सपोज्ड टू गिफ्ट बैक माय गिफ्ट्स. तो या लेट्स डू दैट. मेरे पास गिफ्ट रैप पेपर भी नहीं है, so मैं कभी सोच रही हूँ कि मैं लेके आऊँ नीचे से या कुछ इधर ही जुगाड़ करूँ. लाइक लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट. मैंने पूरा सोचा नहीं है क्लियरली. Box is sort of ready. I had to do a last minute fixing. It's still drying, but it's time to finally fill this up. So I'm just gonna start off with a random cardboard paper sort of a thingy. And now I'm gonna make some graffiti out of these and throw it in. Guys, my makeup is half done and I'm in the cab. It's already 6:05. I was supposed to be there by 6, but theek hai, I'll reach there in like another 10 minutes, so that's okay. Also, as you can see, my makeup is half done. I don't have any eyeshadow, any mascara. I'm gonna do that bit when I reach there. And I'm not very happy with the packaging, but theek hai. I'm not even sure how am I going to give her this. So like, I'm thinking, and let's see how all of this goes. Most important is she should like it, and yeah, finger crossed. and this is my friend Pratika, the one that I was packing all the weird birthday gifts for.
Hi guys.
What's up? How
Can
are
you also
feeling?
tell your audience about our celebrity encounter?
Oh my god, yes, but technically she met Miss Malini and she is so freaking humble. Oh my god.
Yeah,
I'm
she's
gonna
the
post the
best.
picture on the screen because she's like such a sweetheart. I didn't want to be there because I was like, I'm not sure if she wants us to gate crash and like I wasn't sure. But this cutie right here went ahead anyways and she got a cute picture with her and she
Yeah.
remembers her.
That was a good decision, I feel.
Yeah, it was a very
Meeting
good
her.
decision. So yeah, now oh my god, we overate. I'm gonna put all pictures, whatever we clicked on Instagram because clearly we were too busy gossiping to click ऐसा for YouTube.
Yeah, that's true.
But I had a lovely time with you. हाँ.
Same here. Thank you for all those cute
Right
gifts.
घ्यायचा पहिले U-turn घ्यायचा है
They
ना.
made my day.
हाँ.
Made my night.
Night, yeah. So now I will see you very very soon. Hopefully I'll vlog with you more.
Yes.
I'm playing with the torch.
Yes. Hi to your audience from me.
Bye. अभी hi नहीं bye होता है.
Bye hota hai.
Bye. Hey there everybody, it's your girl from the future. I think by now we've all established that future Reena has to keep making appearances into vlogs for all things done wrong by the past Reena. So if you don't know, vlogging 101 Reena is to end the vlog the very day, but somehow I just don't land up doing the same. I mean, I had a great time with my friend. It was super fun, a much needed break, but also I believe it was a Monday the next day, and I had to cope up. I had to cope up with the adulting life that I have, and I think I hit the bed sooner than I expected, and I completely forgot to end the vlog. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe because I'm a really fun, nice person. And yeah, I will see you very soon. Hopefully, a day that I'm vlogging and I end the vlog on the same day. Let's hope for the best. Finger crossed, and I will see you very soon. Until then, take care. Goodbye.